I'm going to run you through how to set up your calorimetry experiment. You're first going to select Experiment and then click Run Experiment. You will see a beaker with a balance and a calorimeter. Click on Solids, and this is where you will find all of the different solids we are going to test today. The first solid you're going to select will be tin. For the mass, slide the mass to be 30 grams. For the temperature, slide the temperature to be 170. Click Show Specific Heat, then select Next. You are now going to always choose water to be in a calorimeter. Select your water to have a mass of 150 grams. Click Show Specific Heat, then select Next. You will see that your water will always start at 20 degrees Celsius. Select Show Graph View and Show Microscopic View. Watch these as you run the experiment and see what happens. You are now going to start the experiment. Make sure you observe and watch the temperature as it will change as you add the tin to it. Select Start. If you notice, the temperature is going up. It was originally 20 degrees Celsius, but now it is rising. This is the final temperature of your water, so record this in your data table, 21.54 degrees Celsius. You are going to reset the experiment, and now once again click Solids and select the different solids you'll be testing today. You can choose and change any of the mass and temperatures you want for these solids, but you will always need to select water to go inside your calorimeter. You can change the mass of water though.